Okay. Go to handle jog. X. Where it says machine right there, you're going to go -2. Y. To -10. And then you hit offset until it lights up this section here in white. You're going to go to your G55. There. You'll hit part 0 set for X, and then part 0 set again for Y, and it'll change the numbers. And then for the probe, you go MDI, program conversational, and then you're going to use your arrows. See at the top, you're going to go over to where it says VQC, hit enter, and then you're going to have to hit F2, and it'll say select template. You hit enter again, and it brings up your template. Alright, you're going to hit enter when the top one, spindle probe 1 through 9 is highlighted, hit enter, and then you're going to arrow over 2 and down 1, and that's probe Z surface. You're going to hit enter. Work offset is 55. Enter. And then it gives you choices. You're going to hit the number 3, output to MDI, and then it puts it in MDI. And then you just take and jog the machine so that the probe is about a ½ inch or so off of the fixture plate surface or the subplate surface. Jog it into position, then you hit MDI and cycle start.